Street food in Central Asia offers a vibrant glimpse into everyday life, and in countries like Kazakhstan and Kyrgyzstan, it reflects a blend of nomadic heritage, regional flavors, and modern urban influences. While traditionally known for home-cooked meals and communal feasts, these countries have developed a lively street food culture that is both practical and deeply rooted in tradition. One of the defining features of street food in this region is its connection to nomadic history. Foods are often simple, filling, and easy to prepare or carry qualities that were essential for people constantly on the move. Even today, many popular street foods are based on these principles, offering quick, yet satisfying meals for busy city life. Among the most common street foods are meat-based dishes, reflecting the region's long-standing reliance on livestock. Grilled skewers of meat, similar to kebabs, are widely available, often cooked over open flames and served hot with flatbread. Another favorite is samsa, a pastry filled with meat, onions, and sometimes vegetables, baked in clay ovens. Crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside, samsa is a staple snack for people on the go. Dough-based foods also play a major role. Items like fried bread, dumplings, and noodles are commonly sold in markets and roadside stalls. These dishes are not only affordable but also deeply comforting, reflecting the importance of wheat and flour in settled communities influenced by trade routes like the Silk Road. Street food culture in these countries is closely tied to local markets, known as bazaars. These bustling spaces are more than just places to buy food. They are social hubs where people gather, interact, and experience the energy of daily life. Vendors often prepare food right in front of customers, creating a sense of authenticity and connection between the cook and the consumer. In addition to savory foods, there are also sweet treats and beverages. Freshly baked goods, pastries, and traditional drinks provide a balance to the rich, meat-heavy dishes. Tea, in particular, is an essential part of the experience, often served alongside snacks or meals. Modern influences have also shaped street food in urban areas. In cities like Almaty or Bishkek, you can find a mix of traditional foods and international options, reflecting changing tastes and globalization. However, even with these new additions, traditional street foods remain at the heart of the culture. What truly defines street food in Kazakhstan and Kyrgyzstan is its sense of community. Eating is often a shared experience, whether standing by a stall, sitting at a small table, or gathering with friends. The food is not just about convenience, it's about connection, tradition, and the rhythm of daily life. In essence, street food culture in these countries is a living reflection of their history. It combines the practicality of nomadic traditions with the diversity brought by trade and modern influences, creating a culinary scene that is both dynamic and deeply meaningful.